I got it.
Okay. Hi, good day, sir.
Who's she?
Oh, I'm her.
My maid. My maid. Her name is Victory. She forgot her own keys, so she came to get the keys to the house from me.
Well, I mean...
Good day, sir. God bless you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Bless you too. She looks too posh for a maid. I mean, she's got designers on. Look at her hair.
That's all me. You know, yeah, she wears designers. Look, I believe that we should treat maids, gatemen, drivers the same as we'll treat our family members. You know, God created us all equally, and I strongly believe that we should treat them as such. You know, she wears designers, and she doesn't even take public transport. She really drives the car. Yes,
wow.
I'm a firm believer, yes.
You're actually right. You're a very good woman, Sarah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I've got to run now.
Okay.
I'll see you when I come back.
Okay.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye.
Mom.
Oh, baby.
I'm a maid?
No, sorry now, sorry. I'll explain later. I'll explain later.
This is what you do now? Laugh, blush, just look good?
You know, I'm just practicing. It's Mrs. Jeff.
Good morning, sir.
Hey. Good morning.
Yeah, my madam asked me to know how you're doing.
Oh. I'm getting better.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You got these for me?
Yes. Remember I was paid up front and a huge allowance.
Does that mean you should finish all your money on me?
Mommy.
These are Sonia hair extensions, the best. And they're expensive.
So, how much is it? Do you know what you did for me? Do you? 25 years of your life you dedicated to me. Even when all of those men who came to marry you say, don't find the village with your grandparents, like that, you refused. You chose me over every other thing and over your happiness. So what is money? What is it?
Those are not good men. No good man will ask a woman to abandon her children just because he wants to marry her. Besides, I don't think what I did was a big deal. Any mother would do what I did.
Mommy, any mother will not do what you did. Believe me, I've seen people dump their kids with their parents just so they can be with a man they love who has said, oh, I cannot train another man's child. It's not an easy thing. You gave me all and I had the best. So this is nothing.
Now you want to make me cry.
Don't cry.
I love you. I love you, my baby. Okay?
It's all right.
Okay. Now, let's see this bone straight and more straight that you bought for me.
Yeah, okay.
They even call it bone straight. Did they make me bone?
Well, I think we are just confused. Let me show you this one.
Okay, open it, open it. After saying, I need a job,
You can't even do the job.
Can you imagine? Just, okay, attend to some of the clients. She was just like, that customer was rude to me. And
excuse me,
babe? What? Ew. Can you imagine?
Excuse me.
You care? I will throw something on you right now.
Throw anything you want to throw on me. You.
What? Oh my goodness. Did they? Come, it's like they opened the psychiatry and let you out. It's like you just escaped from the psychiatrist hospital. Mr. Man, if you touch me again, I'll get something and stone you.
Stay in your hands.
I'll get something
go,
and stone you.
Let's go.
Imagine. Mr. Man.
Baby, let's see you open the door.
What?
Mom.
Mr. Man, I'll wound you.
Look at his face.
Oh my goodness.
What? Please, I need to lock this car. What? Oh my goodness. What is wrong with this guy? Look at the car. Oh my God. Please, mommy, we need to leave. Oh, he wants to take off his shirt.
He's going to undress. Oh my goodness, he's going to undress.
He's looking at your legs. Oh my God. This is so interesting.
Oh my goodness.
Open the car. Lord have mercy. He's showing you his good body, mommy.
Jesus.
He's showing you his good body.
Is this person human?
My friend lived this way. Uncle, please.
If I were alone, you wouldn't have believed it if I told you.
He's still licking his lips. What? Look at his head. Like fried pan head. Looking for a woman.
Mommy, can you imagine?
I'm telling you.
Inukwa, Mr. Sexy.
Of course. With his head like fried pan. He's looking for love.
Hey, a shower okay. Eh?
He's licking on the lips for me.
Like a dog, Chihuahua.
He's licking on the lips for me. Oh, goodness me.
Oh my God.
Know me.
Oh my God.
This is TikTok. Mom. You just got a TikTok notification. When did you open TikTok?
Today.
What are you doing on TikTok, Mommy?
Well, I'm going to be displaying my beauty, talent, and seriousness on TikTok. So that any man sending me a request has to be husband material.
Hey. Okay. Is the seriousness for me?
I'm very serious, so I'm not playing at all. I'm just warning you ahead of time. So in case you want to go and accept any request on my behalf, make sure it's not any of those men that look like what their village people have sacrificed to the gods.
Hey, my mother. I don't understand.
No request. Oh.
Mommy, what did you post that is making them send you all these?
It's private. I have to go to my room and look through them.
Okay, this one is... But what is she doing on TikTok, man? TikTok is just... She cannot find husband on TikTok. There are serious people there. Just want to play. Mom is funny. TikTok. Probably can match up their energy. Mom, why are you giggling like a teenager in love?
I think I've met the one.
Say what? Tell me. Who is it? Who is it?
His name is Tony.
Tony.
And he just asked for us to hang out together tomorrow for lunch.
Already? Okay. Are you going?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. All right. So we have to go get prepared. Pick what you're going to wear.
It's tomorrow now.
Yeah, but we can just get prepared today. So you don't stress. You just look good. Okay.
I'm so shy.
Why are you shy? Don't be shy, Mommy.
Okay.
But you like him, don't you?
I like him.
Okay, so tomorrow you go see Tony. Why are you blushing? Let me see him. Let me see his picture. Let me see.
He's handsome.
Wow. Oh, it's good. Tony. God, Mommy, stop.
Oh, Victor, you're pressing my head.
Sorry, Mommy. God. Let me see the side. Bring down your head.
This
Bring it
makeup
down.
you've been
Bring
doing.
down your face like this. Thank you. I just want to fill in the brows properly.
You're doing, I can't even talk well.
But it's your brows now.
If I talk well now, you will say my eye has shifted.
Yes, so you not start shaking too much. Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Wait, see, you need to look very beautiful, please.
It's okay now.
Let me get the powder.
You finished yet?
No, Mommy. Just a little. Don't you like the way you're looking?
I like it.
See how this Gency, Zizi. No, Mommy, keep your face.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Thank you. Before the makeup will start breaking, let you know. Letting a break. Yeah, over to go.
I like it.
Don't you wish your mommy was fine like mine? I like the way you look so beautiful, Mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me hold it for me.
Okay.
Let me fix this cloth of yours. This one is going down so much.
Okay.
So what shoe?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. That's what I wanted to fix. There you go. Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay.
So what shoe color? You want to look flashy? Should we do gold?
Hello, how far now? I'm in the house already. Oh boy. Wow, she has a very lovely compound. Why do you talk like this now? You know I love beautiful chicks. And let me call you back, okay? Let me call you back. I think she's coming out now. Wow. Look at you. You look so beautiful. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's get going.
Okay.
Hi, what's up? Come on. Look at you. Wow. That's a beautiful catch. Star Blaze restaurant. The dishes are very mouth-watering. And it's one of the best in town. You're gonna love it.
I'm sure I'll love it.
Yeah, definitely. You're gonna love it.
You know, I was so nervous that I forgot to introduce my daughter to you.
What?
My daughter.
You never told me you have a daughter.
Well, I guess it skipped my mind, but I have a daughter. The girl that saw me off, that came outside with me. That's Victory, my daughter.
Wait. I don't get it. That grown-ass girl you call a daughter? By the way, how old are you?
Tony, what's going on? Why are you talking like this?
Wait.
Eh?
Wait.
Why are you stopping?
You have a daughter? I don't get you. You scammed me. What I ordered is not what I got. You're thick and I like thick. I never knew you were old. Oh my God. Get out of my car.
You too, you scammed me. I love sense and I thought you have sense, but you are senseless. Scammer.
Whatever. Get out of my car.
You are a scammer. Why were you chatting with me like somebody that has sense, but you don't have sense?
I said
scammer.
Get out of my car now.
Nonsense. I will get down, but first I have to give thanks and praises to God for saving me from hooking up with an odd Diego like you.
I said get out of my car.
Thank you,
Do you hear me?
Lord. Thank you,
Get
Lord.
out of my car now.
Thank you, my Father, for saving me from getting hooked with this odd Diego of a person. With this odd Diego of a human being. My friend, stop disturbing my prayer. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Lord, what I pray right now is that you don't allow an innocent good woman to end up with this kind of person. Let it be the kind of man that he is that will end up with him. Somebody that will be waking him with hot slap every morning. Idiot.
I said get out of my car. What kind of a...
Are you trying to drag me out? Look, I will take off my high heel and drill a hole in your head.
Oh, you want to beat me now?
I get crazy for head, or you dey mad?
Get out of my car!
Mad? You're calling me a grandma. I will flog you like the little boy you are.
Whatever, get out of my car.
Okay. When they say, okay, this is what you're even calling a car, this smelling thing. You're in a very, very good mood. You're very, very lucky that I'm in a good mood today. If not, I would have taken off my shoe and drilled a hole into your head, idiot. Lenny Cody, look at him. Ochako Maka, idiot. You're not even as fine as you looked online. Onyori, idiot. You're very, very mad. You're just a waste of sperm. It is people like you that your father should have done withdrawal method. But no, he decided to burden the world with a waste of sperm like you. Bastard. Look at you. I will just take off this my shoe and I'll drill a hole in your head. You're very mad, idiot. You're very, very lucky I'm in a good mood today. Very, very lucky that I'm in a good mood. Oh my God. Look at, hi. Look at Sarah. Look at the insult that Sarah is. Do you think you're my spec? You're not my spec. His manager was managing you. It's manager that I was trying to manage you. So in your mind, when they call car, your car will also raise hand and answer present. Your car is the Tokumba of the Tokumba rest. People used it and passed to another person, use it and passed to another person before you bought it as scrap. Look at the car is even smelling. You're going on a date, you don't know how to put air freshener inside your car. Look at, I've almost vomited my whole intestines out. Idiot. Mad people is here.
Hey.
What is it?
Are you alright?
What is it? Is it your business? Okay, stay away from me. You useless man.
Well, that's my car.
Oh, sorry.
Do you need a ride? I could drop you off wherever you're headed.
I can't lie. I need one badly. I need to get home as soon as possible.
It's alright. I'll drop you off.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And Can I say something? Whatever it is that's making you cry should be tossed in the trash. Because you're too beautiful to have tears on that face. All right?
Thank you.
All right, I'll drop you off. This way, please. Yeah.
Thank you so much for the ride. I really appreciate it. You saved the day.
It's nothing. You just have to take good care of yourself and rest properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Won't you come in?
Oh, no. Thanks very much for the offer. Maybe some other time. All right? I'm actually in a hurry to a meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to catch up.
Okay. Can I at least have your number? I'd like to be able to thank you properly.
You don't need to appreciate me for anything. All right? I did what I had to do.
Gratitude is my attitude.
I see. All right. 070
Okay.
8594 7021.
Okay, I'm calling
Jeff.
your number now.
Oh, yeah. I'll just save it.
Sarah.
Oh, Sarah. Yeah, Jeff.
Jeff, okay. All right.
All right.
Have a good meeting.
You too. Take care.
How dare he? How can he do such a thing? Look at that stupid, ugly-looking thing that somebody is trying to clean up. He's the one rejecting somebody. That what? Mommy, please just sit down.
At least, just thank God that he even exposed himself this early.
What?
Imagine if I started investing emotions and my time on him.
Mommy, it's not by doing your hand like this. Me, I'll still deal with that guy. Just look at that one that is as if he's even liking vitamins in his body. He's rejecting somebody.
Just leave him alone, please. He's
I
not
won't.
worth it. At least it's because of him now I met this amazing guy that dropped me off.
Mommy, you safe. Easy with the love thing. You've met another amazing guy. Already.
If you see this one, it's not like that chimpanzee. This guy, Jeff, oh my God. He's so handsome. And see his nails.
Nails?
Oh my God. You know I pay attention to details.
Mommy already saw his nails.
And then he looks like Jesus.
Jesus is back on earth.
Jesus, as in the one they used to draw in those storybooks. He looks just like him.
Jesus. Okay, so did you at least exchange number with this earthly Jesus?
It's like you don't know your mother again.
You took number?
Of course.
Hey. Love palaver. That's what we're going to call this. But mommy, don't mind that useless man. He doesn't have sense. Doesn't know what he has lost. My beautiful mother. We'll still deal with him. We'll still deal with him. Okay, mommy. So first, we're going to celebrate this new Jesus in our lives. And then we'll deal with that disrespectful fellow. Yeah. So, champagne?
Okay. They bring champagne first.
I got you, Mama.
Every time strict mom. It's time for me to loosen up and be a Gen Z baddie. See that, Tony? We're coming for you. Look, I've been driving round and round. I've not been able to find the street. I need you to come outside and look for me.
But I'm outside the gate. I can't find you. No, after Olabisi Avenue, you use the next turn.
Look, I'm going to take this business to somebody that is more serious. I mean it. Look, 15 million naira is going to walk away right now. It's like you're not a serious businessman. Are you out now?
Yeah.
Okay, just stand there. I'm coming. I'm going to drive back to that street and look for you. Okay?
What the heck? Shit! What the heck is this? What's this? Oh my god! Damn! Shit!
Serves him right. Look at rubbish man, like primary 6 teacher. Next time in his next life, when he hears a woman's name called Sarah, he will flee.
Oh my god!
Rubbish.
Honestly, yes. It was so funny watching him scampering up.
Rubbish. It's not right.
At least it's equal now. Me, I cried on the road. He too, he cried on the
He
road.
even cry more when he enters his house, which is smelly. With his smelly shirt. He will cry more.
Oh my god!
Rubbish man. Look how he's selecting.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that was so much fun.
I mean,
Ah.
I wish I even got close to him. Just pin and stitch that his mouth is using this. I can't date a woman that has a daughter. Nonsense. Please.
Oh my goodness.
Like the English people say, good radiance to bad rubbish. Let's talk about Jeff. Our Jesus.
My Jeff Pobo.
Mommy, your Jesus. He's your Jesus. He is Jesus.
Well, calling his name is making me shy.
Oh God. Oh God.
I'm blushing.
More like burnt offerings. Even the Israelites wouldn't have this. Oh.
Hello, Jeff.
Hi, Sarah. Good evening. How are you doing? I hope you're better now.
Yes, I feel better. Thank you.
Oh, wow. That's actually good to know. Oh! Shit.
What is it?
I'm frying plantain, but unfortunately, it's got burnt.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's all right. It's all right. It's just I was tired of eating outside. I wanted to make home food myself. But looks like my plans are ruined.
Why don't you send me your address? I could come and help you out.
Sarah, you know you don't have to pay back.
Oh, no, I'd love to.
It's all right. I'll send you my house address. Oh, You mind I come pick you up, or maybe I should send an Uber?
I'm mobile.
Oh, you're mobile. It's all right, then I'll just send you my house address. Yeah. Please hold.
If I could search
Maki Drive. Yes, sent.
Received.
So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Time to be an opportunist.
And I trust you on this one. You're a good cook, and by the time you finish tasting it, he's going to fall your kata with his leg up in the air.
No, please, I don't want my baby to fall like that before he wounds.
Mommy, your baby already?
I am speaking it into existence.
Faith it, mommy, faith it. Please, let's get you prepared. Because your baby is hungry.
And it's time for me to break my way into his heart because the way to a man's heart is through his belly.
Let's go. Let's get you prepared. Let's go.
I'll stop at the mall and get the other things.
Okay. I just pray you find favor in his eyes, just like Ruth found favor in the eyes of Boaz.
Amen. Thank you, Pastor Victory.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you. So excited.
This is Miss Lover. Wow. Easy, mama.
and mother can go
Okay.
against the ways just to see your baby smile. Oh, she will fight the world. She
Keep
will
going.
sacrifice all that she's just for her child. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. Mama, you know that I love you. Mama.
Open the gate.
You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you, mama. Mama. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you, mama. You know that I love you, sweet mama.
Hello, Sarah.
Sweet mama. Mama.
So, show me your kitchen so I'll start.
All right, I will. Hi. You care for this?
Thank you.
All right, I'll just help you pop that. Sorry, so
Thank
sorry
you.
about that.
I'll soon be done.
I see. Smells nice anyway.
Okay.
All right, I'll be in the sitting room.
All right.
Bye. This is really nice. I mean, very nice.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, I even prepared it in a hurry. This is not even one of my real delicacies.
Are you serious? This is really nice. Wow. You should own a restaurant or something.
Well, I used to.
Are you serious? I see. That explains why it tastes like this. This is serious. I hope we still have more in there.
There's more in the pot. Should I bring it now?
Let me get done with this first.
Okay.
Wow. It's so nice. Sarah, thank you so much for today. I can't remember the last time I had such a wonderful, delicious homemade food like that.
I'm glad you liked it.
Like, come on. I love it.
Okay then, I'm glad you loved it.
Yes. You see, I love good homemade food. Unfortunately, I'm not good at cooking. It's not my thing, yeah?
Oh, in other words, you like to chop, but you don't like to cook.
Exactly. Sarah, why don't I drop you off in your car? I mean, you stressed yourself in there so much. I don't want you to stress anymore. I'll just come back with a cab.
I'm tempted because I'd like the company, but your comfort first. I don't want to bother you.
I'm not bothered. Huh?
No, don't worry. I'll manage. I'm a big girl.
Very well then, big girl. I'll let you do you. Okay? All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
And you take care of yourself.
Okay. Take care.
All right. Bye, Sarah.
Bye-bye.
Open the gate.
If I could search all around the globe for love, no love can be like a mother's love to her child. Yeah, yeah. The bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is strong. Without the word can give,
Hold on.
a mother can go.
I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me.
What's going on? Mommy? Okay, calm down, calm down. How did it go? Did you get a kiss after 2 decades? Oh, did he propose?
No, but it went so well. He's such a sweet guy. Do you know that he even offered to bring me home? And I said, no, there's no need. I can't miss him. I can't miss him.
Listen, you're not going to miss him, okay? You just have to be patient. Good things take time.
I don't have the patience. I want to kiss him.
Okay. Mom, what's going on? You don't have to say that in front of me. Yeah.
He's calling. Hey, Jeff. Yes, I'm home now. Yes. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed the food.
Mom! I'm still here!
Yes.
Wow.
You know, the key to all that is spices. Proper spices.
Mom? Mommy? Mommy!
Oh, baby, you're back.
What are you doing? You found Jeff online? Wow. Wow. You know grill, Mommy.
Is that not the slogan for this year? No grief for anybody.
I like that.
But he hasn't called me today.
He hasn't called you. Oh, you two are not dating, so you don't expect him to call you.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Alright.
So, how do I get us to start dating?
You like him? Okay. I mean, it's 21st century. Just shoot your shot. I like you, Jeff.
God forbid. Please don't introduce me to this nonsense you Gen Z people used to do. I should ask a man out.
Mama, you're already behaving like a Gen Z. Buddy.
I'm a Gen Z goodie, please.
You're not even a Gen Z at all. But now you shoot your shot and say,
Okay, how do I let him know
okay,
that
mommy.
I like him without
what?
without saying it?
Like, if you cannot shoot your shots, maybe just overdose him with kindness. Kill him with kindness.
I should overdose him. Please don't kill him for me.
Kill it for you, Mommy. But yeah, now, you know the way they say the way to a man's heart is through his belly. Yeah. You're a good cook and he likes to eat. He doesn't know how to cook. So you just take advantage of it. And find your way to his heart. Yeah, but I'm serious. That's the best way to go about it.
Okay, cooking, I know.
And eating, he likes. Sleep. Mommy. Sir, want water? Water?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
All right. I'll go freshen up. You're fine, right?
Yes, dear.
If I could search
I didn't even ask how your day went.
Well, you went fine.
Oh, awesome. When you freshen up, you come, let's gist.
touch her, the bond is strong. The feeling is pure. The energy is stronger than the word can give.
Hello, Jeff.
Hey, what's up, Sarah? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you have any soup and stew left in the fridge?
It's almost finished. It really served me. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome. Why don't I come and make you soup and stew every weekend?
Oh, that would be nice. So how much is your pay?
Nothing. I just want to help you the way you helped me.
Well, Sarah, you know you don't have to do this. Huh?
I want to.
It's all right, fine.
Okay, that's great.
Oh, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
Victory!
If I could search all around the globe
Victory!
for love, no love can be like a mother's love to her child. The bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is stronger than the word can give. A mother can go against the
I have to go sort some documents out for clients at the office. But I'll be back shortly. I hope you can stay in the house alone.
Of course, why not?
Okay, I'm sorry this is impromptu. I should have told you earlier.
Oh, no, it's okay. No problem.
Good. Everything you need is in the pantry or the freezer.
Oh, I can find my way around. It's fine.
Perfect. I'll run along now.
Okay.
Good.
Drive safe.
I will.
Bond is strong. The feeling is pure.
Take care.
The
Okay.
energy is strong.
Bye.
Than the word can give. A mother can go.
My future kitchen. You better get used to me now. Because it's you and me forever. Oh. Mrs. Jeff.
All that she
Thank you.
Oh no, yeah. Mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you.
Thank you, Joseph.
Mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you. What is human race without mother? How can you talk about life without mother?
Good. Don't tell
She
me.
gives life to the world. She brings joy to the end. Oh, mama, mama, mama. And mother can't go against the ways just to see her baby smile. Oh, she will fight the world.
Tell me.
She
don't
will
go out to this key.
sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh, mama, mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you.
Hello, Mom. Yeah. Sorry. Where are you? Because I just realized that I don't have my key and I just got back home. Okay, is there a way you can get the key for me? Or something? Huh? Alright, just send me the address. I'll come pick it up. Alright. Joseph!
You know that I love
Joseph! Come open the gate.
Oh, my baby. Mommy. I'm so sorry I had to stress you to come here.
No, it's okay. Wow. I like this kind of stress.
You like?
No. Wow. Here, before I forget. Thank you. This place looks cool.
Better get used to this place because very soon this is where you have to come when you want to look for me. It's going to be my permanent residence.
Good. What? This is good.
This is the house my baby lives in.
What? That's fun.
Oh, Jeff.
Hey.
You're here.
Yeah, I forgot to file upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, is that game? That's cool. It looks so good. Wow.
Fresh like today's.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Hi, good day, sir.
Who's she?
Oh, I'm her.
My maid. My maid. Her name is Victory. She forgot her own keys, so she came to get the keys to the house from me.
Well, I mean,
Good day, sir. God bless you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Bless you too. She looks too posh for a maid. I mean, she's got designers on. Look at her hair.
That's all me. Yeah, she wears designers. Look, I believe that we should treat maids, gatemen, drivers the same as we'll treat our family members. God created us all equally, and I strongly believe that we should treat them as such. She wears designers, and she doesn't even take public transport. She really drives the car. Yes,
Wow.
I'm a firm believer, yes.
You're actually right. You're a very good woman, Sarah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I've got to run now.
Okay.
I'll see you when I come back.
Okay.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye.
Mom.
Oh, baby.
I'm a maid?
No, sorry now, sorry. I'll explain later. I'll explain later.
This is what you do now? Laugh, blush, just look good.
I'm just practicing. It's Mrs. Jeff.
Please.
There is a melody in my heart today. Melody today.
If I could search all around the globe for love, love can be like a mother's love.
Sarah. Thank you very much for the stew and soup you just made for me.
You're welcome.
You're an angel, guys.
Thank you.
I'd like you to send me your account number. I want to bless you just like you blessed me.
I like money, but I didn't do this for the money.
I know. I just want to appreciate you.
Yeah, you already appreciated me. I can see it all over your face.
But I think I should just send you money, at least for the groceries.
No.
I insist. You see, where I come from, the men take care of the women and not the other way around. I will not let a woman take care of me.
Typical African man.
Of course.
Okay, I'll send my account details.
Very well. And yes, henceforth I'll always pay in money whenever I want to cook for me.
Okay, if you insist.
Of course I do. Thank you very much, Sarah, for everything.
You're welcome.
All right, you take good care of yourself.
I will.
Let me help you with that.
Mother can't go against the ways just to see her baby smile. Oh, she will fight the world. She will sacrifice all that she's just for her child. Oh, mama. You know that I love you, Mama. You know that I love you, Mama. Mama. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you, Mama.
500,000 naira. Wow. He's really generous.
He's a good guy.
Wow. Yeah. Mom, why did you call me a maid?
That was the first thing that came to my mind now.
Of all things in the world, a maid. You couldn't even say my business colleague or even a customer or a friend?
What if he comes to my house and sees my business colleague living in the house?
You could have just said my sister.
See, I just said the first thing that came to my mouth. Don't be angry.
It's all right. So, are you not going to tell him you have a child?
Not yet. I don't want him to run away like the others. When he starts liking me and all, then I'll let him know.
Lover woman. Well, that's okay. It looks good.
Thank you, my baby.
You're so happy.
You can't even imagine.
Okay. All right. But I'm sure you've had something to eat. Or you were doing lover. You did not eat. You're forming.
I am filled with love.
It's all right. I rest my case. Mom, the number is still not connecting.
No, and it's been 3 days now.
Or maybe his phone is spoiled or something.
If that were the case, he has enough money to replace it in a minute.
Okay, so how about you go check up on him? I mean, you know his place, don't you?
Okay. Yeah, I think I should do that because I don't think I can sleep this night knowing that he might be in trouble.
Okay, let me see the time. What's 8:30?
Okay.
I'll just wait till you come back.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
I just hope it's fine.
Where are my car keys?
Are you not going to change into something?
No. Where are my car keys? I think I left them in the living room.
Easy, easy.
Jeff! 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 Jeff!
Sarah,
What? What's wrong?
I'm sick. Malaria. Stress.
Let me take you to the hospital.
No, there'll be no need for that. I just finished taking my injections and I need to complete my medication. Besides, the doctor placed me on bed rest.
No wonder your phone was off.
I didn't charge my phone. I wanted to get better first before thinking about anything else.
Okay, have you eaten?
I don't have appetite for anything.
No. You need to eat. You need fresh food. You need vegetables. You know what? You have to come with me to my house. Huh? I can't leave you here alone.
Sarah, I don't want to bother you like this.
It won't be a bother. Besides, it will make it easier for me to take care of you and still go to work. Once you recover fully, you can come back.
Sarah.
Please.
If I could search all around the globe for love, no love can be like a mother's love to her child. Yeah. The bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is stronger
Mommy, how can you bring this guy here?
How? Oh, sweetie, he's sick. I couldn't leave him alone in his house.
Mommy, you told this guy that I am your maid. Don't you think you get busted?
He will soon be gone. Besides, he will soon fall for me.
Can you listen to yourself? Okay, fine. I'm your maid. I agree. I agree to play along. What are you saying? Who told you he's going to fall for you? Is that what he told you?
Look, when you're there for a man in their lowest moments, they start getting affectionate towards you. In short, when you're there for anybody in their lowest moments, they start to fall for you.
What century did that quote of love come from?
Look, my dear, it always works. It has never failed.
So, I'm going to continue to pretend to be a maid, I guess.
Just for a few days, honey. Please. Next tomorrow, you know, I'm anchoring a seminar for my workforce. The seminar is starting next tomorrow. So I'll need you to help me take care of Jeff. Could you take a short break from work to help me take care of Jeff? Please.
Of course, you know I'll do anything for you.
You're the best daughter in the world.
Excuse me, Mom.
Thank you, darling. Get used to your future father.
If I could search all around the globe for love, no love can be like a mother's love to her child. The bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is stronger than the word can give. A mother can go against the waves just to see her baby smile. My. She will find the word. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh no, yeah. Mama, you know that I love you. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. What is human race without motherhood? How can you talk about life without motherhood? She gives life to the world. She brings joy to the earth. Oh, mama, mama, mama. A mother can go against the waves just to see her baby smile. Oh, she will fight the world. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you, mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you, mama, you know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you, mama, you know that I love you, sweet mama. You know that I love you, sweet mama. Mama.
Good morning, sir.
Hey. Good morning.
Yeah, my madam asked me to know how you're doing.
Oh. I'm getting better.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You know that I love you. You know that I love you. Mama, mama, you know that I love you.
Mommy?
Oh, how's my baby?
He said it's fine.
Okay. If he says it's fine, then it's fine. You're done cleaning.
Yeah, I'm done.
You're the best daughter in the world. Oh.
Same with you, Mommy.
Let me take his food to him.
Okay. I just pray he doesn't discover the truth and just say he doesn't want her anymore.
Honey,
Yes,
I'm off for the seminar.
All right.
Were you able to get that break?
Yes, I did. I told them that I'm sick and bedridden.
God forbid.
Amen. But that's the only way for them to give me a 1-week break for you to concentrate on your seminar.
Okay, thank you. But I don't encourage you to lie like that.
Say what? Mommy, you don't encourage me?
You're lying to your lover, remember? And I'm lying to my employer.
It's nothing, just a family of liars.
Stop it. Don't make me look like a bad parent.
Of course, you know you can never be one. I mean, I love you, love. You didn't kill anybody, did you?
Exactly. Okay, darling. I'm off now.
Yeah.
Please take care of him for me. Huh?
You too. You look good.
Thank you.
I know.
If I could search all around the globe for love, no love can be like a mother's love.
A whole 1 week.
A child, the bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is stronger than the word can give. A mother can go against the waste just to see her baby smile. My. She will find the word. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh no, yeah. Mama, you know that I love you. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. Oh, mama, you know that I love you. Oh, you know that I love you. What is human race without motherhood? How can you talk about life without motherhood? She gives life to the world. She brings joy to the earth. Oh, mama. A mother can go against the ways just to see her baby smile. Oh, she will fight the world. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh, mama. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. Mama. You know that I love you. 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 Mama, 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 you know that I love you. You know that I love you. You know that I love you. Mama, mama, you know that I love you. Sweet mama, you know that I love you. Sweet mama. Mama, mama.
Why am I dreaming about this girl? Seems I'm beginning to fall in love. She's so beautiful. My kind of woman. Her smile lights up my heart. I can't even control these feelings anymore. It's been there from the first day, but I couldn't acknowledge it. Now that I dream of this girl, should I suppress this feeling or let it blossom? I want to see her. I feel like spending more time with her. Hi.
So, what are you doing outside?
I've been searching everywhere for you.
Why? My madam said you shouldn't leave your room. That the doctor advised you have bed rest.
Yeah, I know. I've been doing that.
Okay, so why are you outside? You should be in your room.
I miss you. Yeah.
Sir, I brought your food too, because I have other.
I know. I just miss you. You're welcome. Thank you. Please. Don't go. I want you to stay with me.
I cannot stay with you because I need to go make dinner. My mother will soon be back. I was going to say this to you. My madam is a very good woman. She's one of the best out there. So I should tell you.
Oh yeah, she's a wonderful woman. Very kind.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that she takes good care of you.
Believe me, any man fortunate enough to have her as his would be the luckiest man on earth.
Exactly what I think about this man who will be fortunate enough to have you for the rest of his life.
Yeah.
You're a very beautiful woman.
Thank you. I have to go make dinner now. Oh no, God, this cannot be happening. God, please. This cannot be happening. This is going to break my mother's heart. How do I get him to shift his attention to my mother? How?
Yes, come in.
Jeff,
Hi. Sarah.
you on your feet?
Oh yes, I am. Welcome back.
How do you feel?
I feel great. How was your seminar?
Oh, it went well. I'm so glad that my daughter, my maid could stand in for me and take care of you. I hope she did a good job.
Oh yes, she did. She is an angel. Just like you.
I raised her well.
You raised her.
Oh, yeah. She's lived with me for a long time, so I practically raised her.
Well, you did a great job. She's lovely and very funny too.
Okay. Okay, let me go and change into something more comfortable, and then I'll come back.
It's all right. I'll be here.
If I could search all around the globe for love,
Mommy, you mommy.
I want to smell good for him.
I can see. Let me smell. This smells so good.
Thank you.
But, mommy, I don't know. How about you just tell him how you feel?
Huh? What if I tell him and he doesn't feel the same way yet? He'll just run away. No. Please. Slow and steady wins the race.
Should I talk to him for you?
Don't even try it, please. Let me go to his room now.
All right. Just dish dinner.
you know that I love you. You know that I love you.
So, where is she from?
Oh, she's from Oka, Anambra, same town as me.
Oh, you're from Oka.
Yes, I am.
I didn't know.
You hardly ask me questions about me. You're always trying to find out about Victory.
Well, I guess that's because I like her. I mean, she's funny and very lovely.
So you don't like me, eh? What do I need to do for you to like me? Do I need to become funny?
Oh, come on. I like you already. I mean, you are the nicest woman I've ever met all my life.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me go and get dinner.
I think Victory should get it. I want to see her tonight.
She's tired. She needs to rest.
Are you saying she's not coming tonight?
No. No. She's. I'm back now, so I've taken over from her. Let her rest.
Oh, okay.
Is it just me, or does he like Victory? Is he romantically attracted to her? No. I think he's just fond of her. Victory is lovely, and everyone who meets her would like her.
It can't be. It cannot happen. He cannot be liking me. This is going to be really bad. I need to put an end to this. Maybe I just have to stay away from him. Yes, I will.
Why? I've fallen in love with this girl. How did I fall so fast and so deep? I have never felt this way before. Oh, my Victory.
Thank you so much for standing in for me all this while. At least today is the final day of the seminar. So after now, I'll be able to take care of him myself, and then we can bond better.
Well, I hope so too.
Okay, darling.
All right, Mommy.
Have a good day.
You too.
Safe.
Hey there.
Open the gate.
If I could search all around the globe for love, no love can be like a mother's love to her child. Yeah, yeah. The bond is strong, the feeling is pure, the energy is stronger than the word can give. A mother can go against the waste just to see her baby smile. Mama, she will find the word. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh, no, yeah, Mama.
Your food in the drawers.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hi. Please. Stay with me.
No, sir. I brought your food and drugs already. I cannot stay.
I've grown to like you, Victory. So much.
You cannot like me, sir.
I can tell my heart how to feel.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
She will fight the world. She will sacrifice all that she is just for her child. Oh, Mama, Mama, you know that I love you.
I'm done with the seminar now, so I'll be available to take care of you myself.
Wow. Congratulations to the completion of your seminar.
Thank you.
And thank you very much for the hospitality.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
I know. Can I tell you something?
What is it?
Can you please help me talk to Victory? She has been avoiding me lately.
Did you two get into a fight or something?
Oh, no. I've fallen for Victory. And I need you to help me talk to her. Well, yes, I know she's your maid. And then, of course, you know, love knows no boundaries, no status. Please, help me talk to her. She has been avoiding me.
What?
Yes. I'm in love with Victory. And I need you to help me tell her that.
Jeff! Jeff! Victory!
Mom,
What happened while I was away?
nothing.
How dare you? How dare you? This is the first man I have liked in decades. And you let something happen between you two.
Mommy, nothing happened.
he just started developing feelings for me. I didn't.
You led him on!
I didn't! How can you even think I can do something like that to you? You are my mother. You've sacrificed everything for me. Mommy, I know how much you like this guy. Even if I felt anything inside of me for him, I will kill it because of you. I would never let that happen. My own mother has sacrificed everything for me in this life. You think I'll do that to you? I would never do that to you, Mommy.
Oh my God.
Jeff, for me. Jeff, please. Jeff, please wait. Jeff, please. Jeff, please wait. Jeff, please. Jeff, please, just listen. Please, Jeff, I can explain.
What are you doing here?
Jeff, my mother did not intentionally lie to you.
Not just her. You two. You both deceived me. I was being honest with you guys, but you two were being strategic with me. I will not take that. Now get out of my house, now.
The day you met my mother, she was left by a man because she has a daughter. All her life, she has been made to choose between me and her love life. And all the time, she has always chosen me. When she met you, she liked you and she didn't want to lose you. Or she didn't want a repetition of all that has happened. She was going to tell you when you've fallen in love with her.
Fall for her. Your mother is not my kind of woman.
Jeff, you said the nicest things to my mother.
They were all compliment. Just because she was nice to me. Since when did it become a crime to give innocent compliments to people?
Jeff, please. My mother likes you. You cannot disappoint her, please.
I'm sorry, but it's you I love.
We just have to kill this feeling. Please, Jeff.
We? You're in love with me too, aren't you?
Does it matter? Jeff, you are my mother's love interest. I cannot have anything to do with you.
It is you.
Please.
My heart has chosen you.
Jeff, please.
I cannot tell my heart who to love.
Jeff, you just have to do this for me if you truly love me, please.
I love you. I can't let you go.
No, just do this.
Mitri,
Jeff, all my mother's life, she has given up everything just because of me. Just do this one thing.
why can't you understand the fact that
Jeff,
I cannot...
just stop!
Hey.
Mom. He insisted. And I know how hard this is for you. But please, you just have to forge ahead. I believe the right person for you will come. Mommy. Why does it feel like I miss him? No, I'm not permitted to have an iota of emotion for him. I cannot betray my mother. I can't.
Do you love him back?
No, I don't.
You're lying, Victory. I know when you lie.
Mom, listen. Even if I have the most minute feelings for Jeff, I will not let it thrive because you love him.
You said even if. That means there are chances that you do.
Listen, Mom, it doesn't matter.
I will not sacrifice your happiness for mine. No good mother does that.
Mommy, please. One more sacrifice.
The best I can do is to make sure you're with a good man like Jeff.
Mommy, no. Please.
Jeff is worthy of your love.
Mommy, please, no.
He's a good man. I was the one who started catching feelings for him without his consent.
Mommy, I respect your feelings. Please.
The best feeling I can have as a mother is seeing my child happy. Love and relationship is not for everyone. At least my own child can fulfill the destiny I wasn't able to fulfill.
Listen, you can still fulfill that destiny. Please.
I know.
Please.
I know I can fulfill it, but I will not be desperate.
Please.
It's not just about marriage, it's about doing it right.
No.
It's about being happy and not miserable. 80% of married people now are miserable. I will wait for my time. And even if it doesn't happen for me, I will take solace in the fact that my own daughter is living the life I couldn't live. I am you.
Mommy,
and you are me.
no, Mommy, please, no. Please, no.
A good mother lives for her children.
Mommy, please.
I live for you, Victory. I am truly sorry that we lied to you.
I understand why. And I forgive you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a question to ask.
All right. Go ahead.
Do you truly love my daughter?
Yes, I do. I love her so much. And I miss her. I mean, this past month without her was empty. It feels like I've known her all my life. I really do love her, ma'am.
Good. Do you promise to care for her, protect her, and never hurt her?
I promise. Why will I hurt her? I will never hurt you. Ma'am, I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
You're proposing to her now, without a ring.
I'm sorry this is impromptu, but yes, I want to propose to her with my life.
With your life?
Yes.
Oh, so you want to kill yourself and use the meat to propose?
No, ma'am, I don't mean it that way. I want to swear with my life.
Please, my dear, calm down. Leave your life alone. Eh? We need you alive to take care of her.
Mom, we can just assume that he has a ring, maybe like a ring in his mind, or maybe a spiritual ring. And I'll just spread my fingers.
Oshe, well done. Spiritual bride. Yeah, you're just calling spiritual husband to come and meet you because that's what spiritual ring will bring. You both should just calm down. Get to know each other better. By then, you know the size of her ring, and then you propose to her, her dream proposal. My baby deserves only the best.
I'm going to give her the world.
You may now kiss the bride.
Like you a priest? Mom, where are you going to?
Jeff, please bring her home on time.
Don't do that. Mom, no, don't. Wait, Mom, you